Question number 1. What event was inaugurated in Gujarat from 7 to 11 February and who were the key figures involved? Correct answer is option B. Sports Minister Dr. Mansukhh Mandheva and Gujarat CM Bhupendra Patel. Question number 2. Where will India's first permanent Kumbh city be built? Correct answer is option B. Nashik. Question number 3. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Correct answer is option C. 118th. Question number 4. Which state government approved the drone promotion and utilization policy 2025? Correct answer is option B. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 5. The concept of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? Correct answer is option A. USA. Question number 6. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? Correct answer is option C. Part 4. Question number 7. Which article of the Constitution provides for the formation of new states? Correct answer is option B. Article 3. Question number 8. How many types of emergencies are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C. 3. Question number 9. Who invented tea? Correct answer is option B. China. Question number 10. In which country did the game of Kabaddi originate? Correct answer is option B. India. Question number 11. Which state produced the most apples in India? Correct answer is option A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 12. In which country is the sale of chewing gum banned? Correct answer is option C. Singapore. Question number 13. In which country was the electric bulb invented? Correct answer is option C. USA. Question number 14. The policy for boosting drone manufacturing and maintenance was designed to promote which of the following? Correct answer is option B. Drone manufacturing and assembly. Question number 15. When was National Productivity Day 2025 celebrated? Correct answer is option C. 12th February. Question number 16. Which edition of the cyclone exercise is being held in 2025? Correct answer is option C. 3rd. Question number 17. Which countries participated in the cyclone exercise 2025? Correct answer is option B. India and Egypt. Question number 18. Who won the title of the 2025 FIDE Women's World Rapid Championship? Correct answer is option B. Koneru Humphrey. Question number 19. When was Sarojini Naidu birth anniversary observed? Correct answer is option A. 13 February. Question number 20. What is the distance between Kanyakumari and New Delhi? Correct answer is option B, 2500 kilometer. Question number 21. What is the main track used in Indian Railways? Correct answer is option A, standard track. Question number 22. What is the name of the main security agency of Indian Railways? Correct answer is option A, RFP, Railway Protection Force. Question number 23. What is the standard height of a railway platform in India? Correct answer is option B, 900 millimeter. Question number 24. Which source of energy is semen in? Correct answer is option B, fructose. Question number 25. Sickle cell anemia was discovered by? Correct answer is option A, Vernon Ingram. Question number 26. Earthworm lives in? Correct answer is option B, moist soil. Question number 27. Kangaroo has an abdominal pouch known as? Correct answer is option C, marsupial. Question number 28. The utilization of the products of digestion is called? Correct answer is option C, assimilation. Question number 29. Parabronchi are present in? Correct answer is option D, birds. Question number 30. The respiratory problem common in smokers is? Correct answer is option B, emphysema. Question number 31. Under which article is the President of India impeached? Correct answer is option D, Article 61. Question number 32. Which organization regulates the stock market in India? Correct answer is option D, SEBI. Question number 33. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 34. Which soil type is most suitable for cotton cultivation? Correct answer is option B, black soil. Question number 35. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the anti-defection law? Correct answer is option C, 10th schedule. Question number 36. Which enzyme is responsible for the digestion of proteins in the stomach? Correct answer is option D, pepsin. Question number 36. Which Indian state shares its border with the maximum number of the other states? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 38. Who is responsible for preparing the Union Budget of India? Correct answer is option B, Finance Minister. Question number 39. What is the main function of the Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is option D, to regulate the money supply. Question number 40. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Correct answer is option B, Bengaluru.